Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I will be sketching something amazing on my iPad. I will be drawing Evan Rachel Wood, or rather, I will be drawing Dolores from Westworld because I just love her so much. So yes, this would be part of a series of videos for over the next few weeks as to how to stay sane during this self-isolation quarantine period, because I want to create something positive. And be warned, I am a noob at drawing, and that's why I'm using digital stuff to draw so that I can erase it easily. And so please don't mind my methods of drawing. So these are the photos of Dolores that I've screenshot from season 3 episode 3. Dolores again, Dolores, 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 Dolores. Yes, this is where she says starts a revolution, so pretty fun, eh? I kind of really like this picture of her because she just looks so cool, if you know what I mean. And I'm gonna have a reference on my laptop here. So first we're going to choose an image of her and insert this so that I can sketch out a nice image of her, because I can't really like sketch it based on like looking at stuff. I prefer like it's much faster and it's much easier. So call this cheating if you want, but yeah, that's what I do. Okay, duplicate. Okay, so opacity, I'm going to decrease to the lowest. So I'm going to sketch an outline first. I freaking love her so much. What I really like about the Apple Pencil 2 is that, you know, the harder you press, the more defined it is. It feels really like a real pencil. Okay, we don't want such a big line. So here's like the trickiest parts ever. Let's start with the eyes. No, brows. Oh my gosh, her brows are like just perfection, guys. Perfection, I love it. Like, I think her makeup artist is like the best. And of course, obviously, she is beautiful to begin with. This takes effort, guys. That is why I only sketch like people that I like, you know? So that you can actually stare at them all day long and like feel productive. And I hope I'm doing her justice, guys. And if you guys are fans of Dolores or Evan Rachel Wood, please feel free to critique me, but like I'll feel hurt if you critique me too much. So try not to be too mean, thanks. Although I am doing my best. It makes me so happy just like staring at her. I could do this all day long. I kind of feel like it's very therapeutic to draw because, like, you know, you clear your mind of other things, and like art is like, it's like you can express yourself the way you want it. When I'm halfway through something, I like to see what it looks like without the background. Ooh, nice brows. Let's get down to the eyes. The eyes are like the essence. Like, I have a friend who like is so good at drawing, and every time I watch her draw, like she pays the most attention to the eyes because like that's what matters most. They say the soul lives in the eyes, and I completely agree, guys. Wow, she has like this green blue eyes. I think she has green eyes. Gosh, I've never noticed that. I feel like for her lashes, I need something like, yeah, this kind of pen. A technical pen. Because like her lashes are rather thick. Yikes, this is very thick. I'm gonna create a new layer for her lash. Gosh, she has like the most beautiful eyes, guys. I love her eyes. Oh, I can just stare at them for hours. I think you guys know how much I like her now. Whoever that did her makeup, I stand you. I love drawing lips because it's like a part of how sexy she is. Okay, now we have like a basic outline, and oh my gosh, she's just my girl. Ooh, this is her. We can start shading. Guys, she's my #1 girl, and I don't want to mess her up. Not like I actually can mess her up, just that, I mean, she's so pretty. She has such a nice nose. I just can't. I know like I'm zooming into her pores and stuff and people are like, ooh, but like I love it. I love every part of Dolores. I'm so happy that Westworld is here during this crazy time, and it's like finished, like sort of like production's done and everything, and it's not delayed like Mulan. So sad that Mulan is delayed until like July, but at least I get to see my girl Dolores. Okay. Oh damn, I think this is not bad. Am I praising myself already? Zoom into the eyes. I don't know what I want, so don't ask me. Okay, now I'm gonna do something really cool. I learned this from a friend of mine. I'm gonna change this to white. Not that it matters, but like, it does matter. Look at this. Although I feel like it's more of a gray. Art is so fun, guys. Even if you're a noob like me, who can't like really sketch a person accurately, this is like something like a cheating way to help you achieve your dreams. Everyone can be an artist. I believe in that. Okay, let's see how she looks. Okay, remove this. Wow, okay. Nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, the eyes are coming together really nicely. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with you, girl. I'm just in love with her. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, I love you so much. I swear, the eyes are like the soul, and you gotta get the soul right. The other side. Okay. Whatever I'm doing now, I'm just trying to make the eyes more realistic, hopefully. Yes, baby, I like it. I like it. Lips. Okay. Lips. Wow, I spent like 40 minutes on her eyes. Whew. Wow. Dark black lips. That is sexy as fuck. Sorry for cursing, but like, I like her a lot, so forgive me. Hello, Dolores. Wow, this really looks so lifelike. I'm like, whoa. Oh, shading really makes it like so much better. I want to kiss those lips. Like, whoa. Oh, I feel like I'm touching her lips. Like, oh gosh, I know it's creepy, but like, still, guys, if she ever watches this, I will be scared. Gosh, but damn, I love shading because of like all these things. Like the three-dimensional aspect of it is like awesome. Awesome, guys. I love this. How does she look? She looks awesome. I freaking love her. Yeah, let's attack the eyes now. Wow, her eyes are really awesome, guys. She has really like deep eyelids. I can tell. Dolores Abernathy. Guys, I've never spent so much time on the eyes because usually I just don't color them, but like because it's Dolores, guys. Come on, it's Dolores. So, you know, you gotta put in more effort in Dolores. Right, my girl? Give a contour, but like contour doesn't look that nice. I'm trying. Dolores, you are no simple task. I really like looking at her face though. Like that's one plus from all this. I feel like the brows need to be more defined. The iPad is heating up, guys, because yeah, I hope it's pro enough to like record, do a screen recording and everything. Okay, I really hope it is strong enough.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out to sea, sail home.
So my camera actually died while I was filming and I was drawing, and like my SD card was out of space because I took so long to draw, but here it is, Dolores in the making. I hope she looks okay. I know like she doesn't have any color with her, but like I still can see that it's her through her eyes. So this is the actual one versus this is the drawn out version. I spent so much time on this. I spent like 5 hours drawing this and I'm like, dude, there isn't even color. It's just basically sketching and shading. But like, I try to make it good. I try to make it good, guys. This is it, and I'm just gonna sign it. Let's sign in red. April 7th. Okay. I kind of like this. I don't mind spending so much time on her because I like her a lot. Evan Rachel Wood, she's just so amazing and I really like the eyes. It's not the best and I sort of like cheated in my own way and shaded and sketched out her face, features and everything. I think I can see the similarities, and one thing I really don't like is how I drew her cheekbone. I don't really like it, and yeah, I'm just super proud of the ears, the eyes, the nose, and the lips. That's what I'm proud of. But the shading, I think it could have been improved. But yep, this has been it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys know of any other fun stuff that I can do and make a video of, leave a comment below because I really want to do fun stuff during this self-isolation quarantine period and have fun. But yep, stay home, stay safe guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay minty and cheery. Goodbye. Perfection. Beauty, I swear, she's a beauty.